Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a huge Lily Jade unboxing for you today. I went in with a couple of other Aussie mums and got some items from the Lily Jade website because I did have a discount code which makes a huge difference for us Australian ladies because we're able to get a little bit of cheaper shipping, I guess. That's the way it works out for us. So two of my friends went in with me so we didn't have to pay as much for shipping, and everything came today in this really big box, and I just thought I'd share with you guys what we got. I will briefly show you the bag that my friend got, but I'm not going to unpackage it or anything. I'll let her do it, but just so you can kind of see how it comes and which one she decided to get. So these are some Lily Jade packing cases. I have unboxed these before. I'll link the, I'll put the link above for you. It was from another kind of unboxing that I did for a different bag, but these are for my friend, so I'm not going to open these for her, but these are the khaki ones. So it just shows you how they come. They do come in a nice dust bag, and they're great packing cases. I love those. So the next thing I have is the Danielle in camel. I'll take it out real quick so you guys can see, and then I'll just kind of put it back in the bag for her. But yeah, I'm not going to take off any of the little things on it because, you know, she's going to want to see that. But she's a very sweet lady. She wouldn't mind if I showed you this, and I want to see it too. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so there it is there in the camel. I have this bag in the blush, and I love the Danielle. I think it's such a cute mom bag. Perfect size, smells so good. And there's the bottom, has feet. I'll just give you a quick, quick peek at the inside because I don't want to. Yeah. So it is Jade. I'm not going to take it apart because I want her to have the pleasure of taking off all the wrapping and things like that, because you know what it's like when you get Lily Jade bags. It's part of the fun. It looks like there might be something missing in this box. Okay. I thought I ordered a Brittany, but it's not on here. Okay, so I'm gonna have to check on that. But anyway, this is the Jennifer, and this is the nylon one, the black one. So there we are here. And I am loving my nylon Kaylin. So I thought I would try the nylon Jennifer. So it's really nice. All right, so that's all the wrappings off on the outside, and that is actually a really nice nylon. It's a black. Kind of looks bluey about black in the camera, but it's definitely black. And the zippers are actually they're quite nice actually. So you got a huge opening here. All right, so there it is on the inside. It is quite a large bag, but it's not ginormous. It kind of reminds me a little bit of, I guess, a bit bigger than my Madeline maybe. Kind of Kaylin, a bit bigger than the Kaylin. But it's not ginormous, you know, and these are nice and thick. These are actually really thick straps. Probably the thickest ones I've seen actually. But yeah, really nice. I'm looking forward to trying this out. Got a big zipper on the front, and then a big zipper, same size zipper on the back. Which is really nice. Really nice. Ooh, yeah. I think I'm gonna like this, especially for days when I've got all my kids kind of going away from other brands and going towards Lily Jade lately, so this is really nice. Alright guys, now I gotta go figure out what happened to my Brittany. Because I was really looking forward to the Brittany. Hopefully it's coming, because my invoice only doesn't have it on here, but I'm pretty sure it's on my order. 3, totals 3. Okay, well, you know, unless I imagine things and didn't order one. Thought I did. Okay, anyways, thanks for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you next time. Bye.